Good morning. So, this time I am going to discuss the chapter 3, the sampling and sampling distribution. So, when we say sampling, so from the root word na sample, so how to identify your sample sa inyong research. So, magamit niyo siya sa inyong research. Di ba pag pagkanda kayo ng research, out sa whole population, magkuha lang mong kaog sample na imuhang estadihan. Di man pwede na tanan imuhang estadihan kay daghan man. So, kumbaga magkuha lang kaog sample out sa whole population na mag-represent sa whole. So, say sampling distribution, so how to distribute your sample. So, we have 2 lessons to be discussed. So, lesson 1 is the sampling distribution of the sample mean. Lesson 2, finding the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the sampling distribution of mean. So, almost the same lang siya sa chapter 1, kahawig lang sila, pero dili jud sila totally na. Ang process lang is parang kaparehas sa chapter 1. So, we have formula to use to identify the possible samples. So, to identify the possible samples, magamit ta og formula ng combination. So, NCR equals the permutation of N over permutation of R, N minus R, then the permutation of N minus R, where N is the population, kung pila ka ang population, R is the sample size, kung pila ang sample size. So, example, a group of students got the following scores in a test. So, ano ilang scores sa test? 2, 4, 9, 10, and 5. Consider samples of size 3 that can be drawn from this population. So, out of 5 scores, di ba 5 man na, mag-imuha daw siyang i-group into sample size na 3. So, itag tatlo. So, pila ang possible outcomes? Diba, igrupo-grupo nimo sila tatlo. Pwede man na 2, 4, 9. Pwede po 4, 9, 10. Pwede po 9, 10, 5. Mana. So, pila daw kabuok na possible samples out sa 5 ka scores. Given, ang sample size is 3. Sige. So, gamitan na to formula sa combination. So, NCR equals ang N is the population. Pila ka ang population? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang R, sample size, 3. So, 5. Permutation of 5, then R is 3. Permutation of 3, 5 minus 3. So, magiging 5, 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So, magiging, saan na sila? So, 5 times hantod, mag 1. So, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, diba, yung ang combination ay ang permutation. Sunod, 3 times 2 times 1. Sunod, 2 times 1. Pila? 5 times 4, 20 times 3, 2, 4, 60 times 2, 120 times 120. So, 120 over 3 times 2, 6 times 1, 6. So, 6. 6 times 2 times 1, 2. So, 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So, 120 divided 1 is 10 possible sample. So, 10 daw. Pag i-combine natin ang 2, 4, 9, 10, and 5, tig tatlo. So, makabuo ka o 10 possible samples. So, sige. Ito ang ilista. So, 2, 4, 2, 4, 9. So, di ba possible na kana silang tatlo mag-uban? 2, 4, 9. So, possible pod 2, 4, 2, 4, 10. Next sa chapter 1, bisog magkabaliktad-baliktad, pwede. Pero there is sa chapter 2, dili pwede. For example, 2, 9, 4. So, dili na ni siya pwede. Kasi ang 2, 9, ug 4 na siya dira. So, unlike sa chapter 1, pwede, pero dili. Or, pares ani. 10, 4, 2. O, dili na ni pwede. Okay? 10, 4, ug 2 na naman ang exact number dira. Pwede duha magka-balik. Pares ana, 2, 4, 9. As long as na isa na dili. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 10, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. So, dapat 10, 1, 2, 10. O, sa pa. 2, 9, 10. 2, 9, 10. 2, 9, 10. 2, 9, 10. 2, 9, 5. 2, 9, 5. 2, 9, 10, 2, 9, 5, 2, 10, 5. 2, 10, 5. 2, 5, 4. Ana, 2, 5, 4. Ay, naana. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. Ana po. 2, 5, 9. 2, 10, 9. Wala pa. 2, 10, at 9. Naana. Or 5, 2, 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, kulang patag-upan. So, manang combination sa ito. So, dahil na punta sa 4. 4, 9, 10. 4, 9, 10. So, i-check na ito na by 4, 9, 10 mula. 4, 9, 5. 4, 9, 5. Check na ito kung nabay magkaparehas. Wala. 4, 9, 5. 4, 9, 2. 4, 9, 2 na. 4, 9, 2. 4, 9, 2 na. So, mag-proceed ka sa 9. 9, 10, 5. 9, 10, 5. Check na to. 9, 10, 5. 9, 10, 5. Wala. 9, 10, 5. 9, 9, 5, 2 na. 9, 5, 2. Oh, na. So, next. 10, 5, 2. 10, 5, 2. Check na to. 10, 5, 2. 10, 10, 5, 2. Oh, na. 10, 5, 2. Erase na. Ilan na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kulang na lang. Isa. 4, 10, 5. 4, 10, 5 now. 4, 10, 5. Wala. So, ana ang kulang. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 samples. So, since ang nasolve na to ganina is 10 possible samples daw, so swak 10. So, this time, i-solve natin ang mean isa-isa. So, di ba? How to compute the mean? So, mean is also known as the average. So, how to compute the average? Di ba? I-add lang man na sila, tapos i-divide kung pila ka box sila. So, first is 2, 4, and 9. So, i-add lang na silang tatlo, i-divide sa 3. So, since tatlo man sila kabuok, i-divide sa 3. So, 2, 4, 9, 10, 15. 15 divided by 3. So the answer is 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, next second, 2, 4. 2 plus 4, 8 plus 10. So magiging 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. 5.33. Next, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 6, 11. 11 divided by 3. Answer is 3.67. Okay, next, 2, 9, and 10. 2 plus 9, then 11 plus 10. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 2, 9, 5. 2 plus 9, then 11 plus 5, 16. Divided by 3, 5.33. 5.33. So 2, 10, 5, 15, 16, 17. So 17 divided by 3, 5.67. Next, 4, 9, and 10. So 19, 23. Divided by 3 is 7.67. Next, 4, 9, and 5. So 18. 9 plus 5. 14 plus 4. 18. 18 divided by 3. The answer is 6. 9, 10, and 5. So 19, 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Next, 4, 10, and 5. So 19 divided by 3, 6.33. Then after ma-compute ang mean, so ito siyang ipasunod. Gikan sa pinakagamay hangtod sa pinakataas. So sa man ang pinakagamay dito? 3.67. So kani. Asa to? Ara ang pinakagamay, 3.67. Followed by 5. Kani. Followed by 5.33. Para silang doon. Then 5.67. 5. Kana man ang sunod. Sunod, 5.67. 6 ang sunod. Followed by 6. Then, 6.33. Then, 7. Then, 7.67 plus is 8. Plus is 8. Then, frequency, ihapon na to kung pila ka buok. Frequency, pila ka buok? 3.67 dire. 3.67. O, isa lang. So, frequency, isa lang siya ka buok. Ang 5, pila ka buok? 5, isa lang pod. Ang 5.33, isa, duha. Ang 5.67, 5.67. Isa lang. Ang 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, isa. Ang 6.33, isa. Isa lang yan. 7, isa lang. 7.67, isa. Ang 8, isa. So, pag i-total na to na, dapat 10. Kaya 10 na sila talaga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So, tama. Next, probability. So, di ba ang formula sa probability because itong possible outcome or ang frequency divided by total sample size. Total sample size. So, ang frequency diri is, sa 3.67 is 1. So, 1 over, pinakatong total, and 1 over 10. Diri, 1 over 10 gyapon. Diri, 2 over 10. Diri, 1 over 10. 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 So, hanggang dito lang ang lesson 1. So, sa lesson 2, finding the mean, variance, and standard deviation. So, masumpayan na po na ito ang table. So, same gyapong process sa lesson 1 na x minus mean squared, x minus mean squared times px. So, let me show you. Okay, so let's proceed. So, ito na yung sample mean natin. Frequency is, ano naman ito? 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, probability, 1 over 10. So, since 10 ang possible samples natin, 1 over 10, 2 over 10, 1 over 10, 1 over 10. Okay, so sa lesson 2, solve for the mean, variance, and standard deviation of sample mean. Okay, so same process. Sample mean, kana i-multiply sa probability diri. So, para, siyempre, i-multiply lang ang numerator, copy ang denominator. So, 3.67 over 10. Diri, 5 over 10. Diri, 5.33 times 2. So, 5.8 lang. So, 5.33 times 2, 10.66. 10.66 over 10. Then, 5.67 over 10. 6 over 10. 6.33 over 10. 7 over 10. 7.67 over 10. 8 over 10. Next, i-add ang numerator, copy ang denominator. I-add natin. 3.67 plus 5 plus 10.66 plus 5.67 plus 6 plus 6.33 plus 7 plus 7.67 plus 8. 60. So 60 divided by 10, the answer is 6. So our mean is 6. Okay, so sample mean minus our over mean of means. So 3.67 minus 6. 3.67 minus 6 kana. Para mauman na. I-minus sa answer na to dira. 3.67 minus 6 is negative 2.33. Negative 2.33. Okay, negative 2.33. Then, squared. Squared na ni mo raised to the power of 2 sa calculator. 5 point. Dili ka mag-round off ha. Kopyahon ni mo tanan. 5.428. Kasi hindi ito final answer. So, kopyahon ni mo tanan. Okay, next. 5 minus 6 is 1. Negative 1. Raised to the power of 2. Syempre, positive. Next. 5.33 minus 6, negative 0.67. Then, squared ang answer. Ang answer is 0.67. 4489. Okay, next. 5.67 minus 6, negative 0.33. Okay. A squared ang negative 0.33, 0.10, 9. So, 6 minus 6, 0, 0. 6.33, so positive 0.33. Same na sila, 0.1089. Next, 7 minus 6 is 1. So, 1. 7.67 is 0.67. So, same lang natira. 0.4489. 8 minus 6 is 2. So, 4. Okay, next, sa final na column, ang answer diri, arat, multiply sa probability. So, yun na kay 1 lang man ang numerator, dindira to. So, 5.4 to 89 times 1, syempre, 5.4289. Copy ang denominator na 10. Sunod, 1 times 1 is 1. Copy ang denominator na 10. 0.4489 times 2. 0.4489 times 2. Kaya nga 0.4489 times 2. 0.8978. 0.8978. Copy ang denominator na 10. So, kani, multiply dira, 0.1089 over 10. Copy ang numerator. Kani, 0. Kani, 0.1089 over 10. Kani, 1 over 10. Kani, 0.4489 over 10. Kani, 4 over 10. Same process, i-add ang numerator, copy ang denominator, muna itong answer sa variance. 5.4289 plus 1 plus 0.8978 plus 0.1089 plus 0.1089 1 plus 0.4489 0.4489 plus 4. So the result is 12.9934. 12.9934 divided by 10. 1.29. 1.30 na or 1.30 ang ating standard deviation. So, to compute ay ating variance. To compute for standard deviation of our mean, square root lang ang variance. So, since ang sagot ng variance natin is 1.30 square root. Square root of 1.30 to 1.40. So, ito na yung standard deviation. So, ito yung variance. Ito yung mean. Okay, that's it.